In this video I will be showing you some tips and tricks for Windows 10 which I think you will find useful. The first is item checkboxes in File Explorer. Open File Explorer. Click on the View tab at the top and check the box that says Item Checkboxes. Now if you hover over an item you will see checkboxes. With this you can tick the items you want to select rather than holding down the Control key all the time. The next tip is pinning programs to the taskbar. First open the program you wish to pin. I will use Google Chrome. Now right-click on the icon to that program in the taskbar to bring up a menu and select Pin to Taskbar. Now when you close the program the icon for it stays. If you wish to unpin this program from the taskbar, just right-click it again and unpin from taskbar. Next tip. Shake to minimize programs open on your screen. With the one you are working on, the one you want to keep up. At the top of the box left-click and hold the mouse button and shake from left to right a few times. This will minimize these windows behind the one you are working on to the taskbar. If you wish to bring them back, just shake again. Next is pinning a setting to the Start menu tiles. This can be useful if you have a most used setting you need quick access to. So let's open Settings. Now find the setting you need quick access to. I'm going to use Devices because I may need quick access to my Bluetooth devices. Right-click and pin to start and press Yes in the box that shows. Open up the Start menu and it's there. Right-click the tile and unpin from Start if you wish to delete. In this last tip, I will show you how to activate one-click rather than double-click icons. Open up File Explorer. Click on the View tab and then Options. In the box that opens, look for Click Items as follows, and under that select the option to single-click to open an item. So now you will be able to single-click an icon to open the file or program. You also have the option to always underline these icon tiles by selecting it here. We hope you found these tips useful. Please share and subscribe.